Transform your extra spaces into a useful room. We can build a bathroom, tiny bedroom out of small space. Do you have an extra room or a small space in your home that is currently serving no purpose? Why not transform it into a useful room that can serve you in many ways? Building a bathroom or a tiny bedroom out of a small space can add value to your home and make your living experience more comfortable. In this blog post, we'll discuss how you can transform your extra spaces into a useful room with some innovative ideas and expert tips. Assess the available space. Before you start planning on transforming your extra space, it is important to assess the available space. If you have a small room, you may not be able to add a bathroom or a bedroom. On the other hand, if you have a large space, you can convert it into a functional bedroom or a master bathroom. So, evaluate the space that you have and plan accordingly. Determine your needs. After assessing the available space, the next step is to determine your needs. Do you need an extra bathroom to accommodate your family members? Or, do you need a small bedroom to use as a guest room or a nursery? Whatever your needs may be, make sure you prioritize them while planning your transformation project. Hire a professional. Building a bathroom or a bedroom in a small space can be a challenging task, and it is always best to hire a professional. A professional contractor or an interior designer can provide you with valuable advice and help you design a space that meets your needs and budget. Be creative with space-saving ideas. When you are planning to transform a small space, it is essential to make the most of every inch of space available. Be creative with space-saving ideas like installing wall-mounted shelves, using multi-purpose furniture, and utilizing vertical space. These ideas can help you maximize your available space and create more storage. Choose the right fixtures and decor. The fixtures and decor that you choose play a crucial role in creating a functional and aesthetically pleasing room. When it comes to a bathroom, choose fixtures that are compact, energy efficient, and easy to clean. For a bedroom, choose decor that reflects your personal style and provides a comfortable and inviting atmosphere. Transforming your extra spaces into a useful room like a bathroom or a tiny bedroom can be a challenging but rewarding experience. By assessing the available space, determining your needs, hiring a professional, being creative with space-saving ideas, and choosing the right fixtures and decor, you can create a functional and stylish room that adds value to your home. So, why not explore the possibilities and transform your unused space into a room that serves you in many ways? Thanks for watching.